Bill, get the camera! Oh, hello everyone. I am Bryce Husker, and, welcome to LPS Secret Sisters. Let's go back to sleep. Heather! Oh. She's got breakfast waiting for her. Heather, come on down, sweetheart. Heather. Dad, what is wrong? Sweetheart, you need to get down here and ready for school. School? This is awful. Ow, 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 my toe, ow, my toe, ow, 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 my paw. What? Get started by going up into your bathroom. Fine. Oh, and Dad, why can't I stay in my new room? Because it's not done yet, sweetheart. If you sleep in it, it'll break on top of you. Whoa, so this is part of my room? Whoa, it's really cool. Go down to the bathroom. Wow, oh, awesome. Brush my hair. Ducky, and we'll dry it, and oh, a computer, that's so cool. Oh, I didn't know I could have a computer for me. Oh, wow. Ow. At least I didn't fall that time. Sweetheart, you need to get your clothes on. Oh, fine. There. Now what's for breakfast? Right there on the table. Okay. Dad! What? What's wrong with it? You look at it and tell me what's not wrong with it. What do you mean? It looks perfectly fine to me. There's nothing wrong with it. Carrots and corn, Dad. You think there's nothing wrong with carrots and corn for breakfast? I mean, look at it. It's ridiculous. Sweetheart, it's not garbage. I'm trying to feed you the best I can, but it's not my fault. Believe me. I'm going upstairs to work on your room. So the bus is gonna come by and pick you up. And if I'm not there, just go on. Yeah, fine. Okay. Yeah. Dad, that's not how you go in the elevator. I know, it's too small. Ugh. Need to get it fixed. I was talking to you about that earlier. Finally, he got it right. Guess it won't hurt to eat some of this. Carrots. Really? Taste bitter. Excuse myself. Well done. Move the tape back. Turn off the TV. And guess I'm ready for school. Just need to wait here for the corn. feel so early. Just wait till Mom wakes you up. Oh my, look at the time, it's 7:31. Better go wake up Amber Lily. Pew pew pew. Up elevator. Oh, here we are. Just the right floor. Amber Lily dear, wake up. Morning, Mom. Good morning, sweetheart. Now, come down with me and get ready for school. Got it. Open up. Stupid elevator. Close. Down elevator. Here we go. Open up. Finally. Here we go. Come on out. Stupid elevator. It's still broken. You know, I guess he could fix it. Well, I guess I should, go get ready. Yeah, I'm going to go get your breakfast. Okay, Mom. Bye. Here we go. Now for the perfume. My mom put so much stuff on me. Well done. It's just school. It's not a big occasion. Lunch. My camera. What? Oh, my teddy bear. Too old for that. It's not a school thing. Time for breakfast. Hello, sweetheart. You ready? Yeah. Now you can eat breakfast then, I guess. Okay. Cereal. Just cereal. Yeah, just for today. Okay. Well, guess it's not so bad. Mom, I'm done. Okay, honey, let me just take that plate for you. And, I'll be back with... Mom, I'm done. Okay, honey, let me just take that plate for you. And, I'll be back with... well, yeah, I'll be back. Anyway, bye. What's she going on about? Well, here we are, honey. I've got something for you. Just a little... Mom, what are you holding behind your back? Oh, just a little surprise. Mom, thank you so much. What is it? It's for your lunch. It's cookies, ice cream, and hot chocolate. The hot chocolate is, as you can see, in a special container, and that should make it, warm. Oh, thank you so much. I thought you'd enjoy it.